field drivers behind the lines in 3, 2, 1, dive.
Qualification match number 42 is underway here on Archimedes. It is, as mentioned before, the answer to all your qualification matches. And indeed, that autonomous program is looking pretty indicative of that over here on red. What is that? 7 pieces of coral, 6 pieces of coral scored on level 4. Nope, I was right the first time, 7. On level 4 of the Red Alliance Reef. That helps bring them up to a score of 61 at the end of auto, now 66. Blue Alliance now sitting at 28, and onwards will go. The Blue Alliance machine of 3880 Tiki Techs has a piece of algae in their hands. They're looking to reach on up and have it join the other 3 pieces of algae that are already on that barge net for blue. No dice on that one. They'll now go disturb the algae processing cycle of the Red Alliance machine of Gakko. They were over at the processing wall. They now give up on the algae processing game and focus on coral instead. They'll scoop one up from their human player. No dice getting this one to land on the reef this time. And they'll go refine their bearings. Blue Alliance side building the reef from the bottom up. Not the strategy we see every time, but it's an interesting change of pace as they have level 2 about halfway, a little more than halfway populated. Level 3 definitely more than halfway populated, and only now starting to get level 4. Does look like they have 6 of the requisite 7 on level 2, and definitely 7 plus on level 3. Iterating their way towards eventually that coral RP, although they've processed no algae on their side of the field. So that co-op bonus to make things a little bit easier on the coral side of the world so far not in play. Red Alliance has done their half of that, and they've done plenty more in this match to end up with a score of 159. Gakko back to the coral station wall, and then they have to run away due to the defense of the Tiki Techs. They'll head now to the top left coral station along with their alliance partners, Mercenary Robotics. The 2 of them will come in, and at this point they're mostly populating the trough as the reef is pretty close to full. Coral worth 2 points apiece. There goes yet another one coming at you from Mercenary, and another one, and possibly I thought it was going to be another one. Actually, this one's coming from Gakko on level 3. Mercenary Robotics just an inch or 2 away from being fully airborne there on that deep cage. Hard to tell from this angle if they'll get the rest of the way up. Again, all depends on what happens when those barge lights turn off. Looks like we'll have to have been certified. It's a Red Alliance victory. Final score 178 points to the Blue Alliance's 161. 5 RP over there on the Red Alliance side of things. 3 from winning the match. 1 was the barge RP.